Hey everybody, Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Thanks so much for joining us on these great home tours today. We're in a brand new construction community by Toll Brothers, Elkhorn and Grove. We have 3 single-story floor plans. Let's go take a look at them. All right, this one is the Bellow. Comes in a 3 or 4 bedroom configuration, 3 to 4 beds, 1 half bath, 3-car garage, single story, 2,982 square feet. And this one is the modern farmhouse elevation. All right, hey, do me a favor if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell. That way you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. And again, we appreciate you so much. So gonna peek into the Bellow here, modern farmhouse exterior. I know I already stated it, but 3 to 4 beds, 3 or 4 baths, 3-car garage, 2,982 square feet. All right, so as we come into the house, we're gonna pop right into the secondary bedroom. Why not, right? Configured as an office, it does have a walk-in closet. And it's not the biggest of rooms, let's be honest, right? Give the people what they want, but here they are ensuite bathrooms. So you can kind of see the bathroom right here, shower tub combo. Got some big tile work there in that bathroom. I do kind of like this like purplish color. We'll see a little bit more of that in some other parts of the house. And this is cool, right? This is woodwork. This is just trim work. Put up on the walls, finishing nails, painted. Adds some really cool texture. Do love these faux beams, like these old school looking black lights hanging down from the top too. All right, other secondary bedroom. A little bit bigger, this one does. It's got like a little nook over there. So it's got like a little funky dude dresser. You could put a desk there, you know, if this was a child's room or whatever. Kind of pan back around. It does have a pocket slider closet, ensuite again. So it's got its own bathroom. This one's configured with a full walk-in shower. And right off of it is the laundry room. It's got a nice back counter, additional storage, right? Washer and dryer. All right, so I know I kind of blasted through this initial part of the house, so we'll try to slow it down a little bit. Secondary bedrooms aren't. They are what they are, right? So here we go. We have this cool sitting room as it's configured. I love these mirrors. It really makes this room look a lot bigger than it is. But this is pretty neat. It's got some funky wallpaper on the wall. Good place to hang out and have a drink as it's set up to be displayed as such. And I like this roof work right here. See how these sections, they're not just all lifted up. It kind of gives you a little bit of separation in the house without there actually being anything there. Formal dining area. Got a square table over here. Tons of light, you're gonna see that. Got a little wet bar over here. You got a little wine rack down there. You got your reds, your whites, a little sink, some additional cabinetry. Kind of panning around here. Just one big gray room. This is cute. A little storage right there. A little sit on, a couple throw pillows sitting there. Here's here's your washroom for your guests. I kind of like that two-tone paint there. It's kind of cute. Yep, I said it, cute. All right, so main living room area, you got ceiling fan drops. You do have fire suppression in this house, so that's kind of cool. So if you ever have a fire, you get your own sprinkler system. You see that in a lot of new homes. TV's mounted over there. That stonework is an upgrade from the builder, so it's that fireplace. Optional items that you could put into this house if you like. Do have Gen Air appliances all throughout. So I like this. Has got a really good open feel, double ovens, big fridge. Check this fridge out. I'm gonna open it up. So, right? It's just cool looking. It's all black finish on the inside of it. So super neat product. Looks really cool when you open it up. And then you got these, European flat finish, also called foil wrap cabinets. Nice center island right there. You got 4-bar stools. And over here, so garage entrance right there. It's a 2 and a 1, so 2 and then 1 deep, but it's locked up. So got little, not really a butler's pantry, but you got a little extra storage over here. Could be a mudroom. There's your pantry. Could have like a little bench right here, a little something to hang your coats or jackets, purses, whatever it may be. Kind of feel like we're just flying through this. Here's your microwave right here, mounted down below. Cool looking guest cooktop. Love the brass knobs. Good, these go all the way up to the ceiling. Just kind of slow down and give you this whole thing. Stainless steel sink with a nice apron on the front there. Another cool sitting area. I like that like crescent circle bench. I don't know that it works that well in this square room, but I'm not an interior designer, so maybe it works great, and I just don't know what I'm talking about. But it looks cool. It looks cool in here. So we're gonna go out in the backyard a little bit in a minute. Got like this little media room right here, right? So many people telecommute, means you work from home nowadays. You got like a nice little office. So if you're, work from home, like a lot of people do. I don't know that you need a huge office, but this is a good size office. This could also be a homework room for kids, whatever you need it to be. So coming into the primary bedroom. It's nice. Like what they did with the ceiling. Like that gray. We call it agreeable gray because most people tends to agree with them. Got some cool wallpaper back there. Got LVP flooring throughout the main body of the house. Obviously, we switch it up going into the bathroom here. We have a nice walk-in closet. So this one is how it would be delivered from the builder. You can build that out if you like. Got a bathroom right here. Well, know what a toilet looks like. And then here you have the rest of the bathroom. It's kind of rectangular in shape. You got 2 sinks, big tall mirrors. You got your soaking tub right there in the middle. And you got this walk-in shower. So pretty cool. All right, let's go take a peek in the backyard, shall we? We're just gonna exit this primary bedroom, pop back out into the kitchen great room area, and we'll get into the lot in the backyard. So this lot size here, this is one of the smallest lots in this community, just over 8,000 square feet. The largest lot in the community goes up to 19. So you're gonna find a lot of quarter acre and up lots in this community, but you can do so much even on these smaller lots for this community. Some parts of the country, some parts here in Las Vegas, this would be a really large lot. Got a little barbecue area out here. You got a fridge, got a grill. These power lines are gonna be gone. This is just because we're in the construction phase. Little cool looking, probably lights up, gas fire pit at night there. Little back covered patio. And then just your area over here. So just a big hot tub. Or don't heat it up and just kind of cool off in the summertime. But let me show you the whole back of this house. Appreciate you as always, joining in, tuning in, subscribing, liking, hitting the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. If you have any questions, give me a call. Send me a text, give me a call. If you want to know what your home's worth or if you want to set up your own search, hop on our website. You can do all that there. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.